Hi Libra, so let's look into April 2021. So, something is not working out for you, and I think a situation is going forward, and I'm not sure you are following. Okay, some things are moving very quickly forward, Libra, and you are still in a situation in your mind. Try to look at your life, what's happening around you, because life is moving forward. Try not to think about the past, or don't think about a situation again and again. That situation has passed. Now other things are going on. New things are going on in your life, Libra. You have a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, who can be good for you, who can be an inspiration to you, who can give you a lot. They have a lot of fire, a lot of energy. And don't wait for things to happen. Just go into action, meet new people, get things going. Don't look back anymore. Okay, we have a Scorpio, we have an Aquarius. So an Aquarius is not going to change, and a Scorpio can be stubborn if you're dealing with those. Somebody is still, maybe you are the one who is still choosing. Try not to think too much, Libra, because you're losing time and things might just move on without you if you don't make a decision. And then we say, fuck, it's too late, right? We have a Taurus here also who is beginning to get tired of waiting, or you can't decide about something, or tired of your games. If they think it's a game to you, but it's not. You just can't decide sometimes. Somebody really likes you. It could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Gemini. Gemini's here. A Gemini doesn't want to wait either too long. Or a Taurus. They just feel, when am I gonna get something from you, Libra? Or what is going on? Somebody is waiting. We have a Sagittarius as well. You are a popular sign, as usual. Yeah, somebody is waiting for an answer, I feel. And things are changing, Libra. So I suggest in April you try to make a move and let somebody know either how you feel, what you want, you know. Let me have a look what more I can get. Time to move. It's time to move, time to be creative, time to work, time to be strong and show motivation and will and positivity, not stay in your mind. You can't create anything there. I mean, you need to be with people. I'm sorry, this is going to be a short reading, okay, because my battery is soon out and I have one more sign to do. So try to check out that Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Leo looks great. Aries, Taurus. A Scorpio might be surprised if you don't want them anymore. We have a Sagittarius again here. You can have a new beginning with a Sagittarius or an Aries. Looks also great. Let's see this oracle card here. Yeah, somebody is thinking of you, praying, waiting. Somebody's waiting for your answer or thinking about you, okay? They are really great. Somebody's really great who really loves you and thinks about you, Libra. So keep in touch with them. Tell them what you want, what you need, how you are. Get the ball rolling again, I would say, because otherwise life around you, it will move on without you, you know. So get the ball rolling, Libra. Thank you for watching. Bye.